Hey y'all, it's been a while since I posted anything. Just got back from 2 weeks of vacation, Donner Lake. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful up there. Anyways, we're back, ready to get going. I feel kind of refreshed. Do absolutely nothing for 2 weeks. Well, I shouldn't say that. We do a lot of hiking up in the high countries. Anyways, back to work. Metabo sent me a new grinder. We were grinding some concrete, and I don't know what happened. But anyways, I went through the warranty process, and it was totally awesome. Except for the, setting everything up and just back and forth emails and stuff. It just takes some time and patience. So anyways, they were quick to send me out a new one. Got back from Donner yesterday morning, or yesterday afternoon I should say, and there was a package waiting for me, and there she is. Gonna set it up. I think I really like this Metabo grinder, and I like the D handle. So I'm getting ready to set all that up, put it back on. I bought the kit, which was about I think it's about $500. To me it's worth it. Really is. I like the D handle right there. Sorry if the shading's off. The camera's doing its thing. Anyways, so I'm going to be putting all this stuff back together and putting it on. Thank you, Metabo, for sending a new grinder. They didn't even try to fix the old one. And everything happened, everything went really fast after I got it sent in. And they paid for all the shipping and everything. So, well worth the $500. So I did buy the Metabo 2430 MFT, and it came with its kit and the box, and it also came with this. I mean, it wasn't just $500 for just a grinder, but it also came with, this was $150, $170 accessory. So anyways, pretty awesome. Love the D handle. So that came with it. Hang on a second. That came with it, and I believe the D handle is another accessory. Anyways, I'm a little confused, but no big deal. Love the kit. So thanks, Metabo, for sending me out a new grinder under warranty. Appreciate it. Awesome. All right, everybody. See you on the next one.